Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Bellydance with Tahira series. Today we will do a shoulder shimmy. It's the first shimmy movement in this series, and it will be all about, as the name states, our shoulders. So we will start with a little exercise. Of course, when it comes to body posture, nothing changes. Everything is still the same. Feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, long neck, open chest, and we will work with our arm. For the time being, let it be one arm. You stretch your hand outside to the side, and now you imagine that your arm is an individual part of your body. So you work only with your upper arm and with the rest of the arm until your elbow. So here you want to have your hand isolated. You can grab something. For example, you can put your hand on a chair or on a wall even, just to be isolated. And then you move your shoulder to the front and to the back on the straight line. So no hopping up and down, only the straight line. To the front, to the back, 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 front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. The rest of the body stays isolated. You're working only with your arm. And front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Let's try the same with other hand. So the rest of the hand stays isolated. The whole body stays isolated. You work only with your arm. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Straight line, front, back, 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 front, back. And now we want to join this movement. So now we will work with both our arms. When one arm is in the front, the other one is in the back. So you do something like this. They are all the time working one by one. So here we go, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You isolate your arms, the rest of the hands, the arms are working, you isolate the rest of the hand. You isolate your hips. Of course the chest will be moving because there is no other way. We are built this way, but all the time you are working with your arms. Front, back, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and now a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, and faster. Ta 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 ta. And if you go a little bit faster, now we're getting the shoulder shimmy. So you see the chest is of course moving, but all the time you're working with your arms to the front and to the back. Your hips stay isolated, so you don't want this movement. Your arms stay isolated, your hands. You're working only with your arms. And this is how you do a shoulder shimmy. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do the shoulder shimmy. If you have any more questions or doubts, also leave a comment below and I will answer. Don't forget to give thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on bell notifications to be notified about new lessons and other content on my YouTube channel. And of course, let's meet here next week. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!